That's the way we've always used MaxTrax to get us out of trouble. Simply stick them under the wheels, use it to lift you up, out of the bog, over and out. Nice simple recovery. The new MaxTrax Extremes do a great job. That's not always the way to get out of there. Sometimes you need to be towed out of there, get towed over something, and now MaxTrax have come to the party with their own recovery kit. Just as the guys from MaxTrax reinvented the recovery boards, they've now taken a look at the simple snatch recovery, and they've come up with a solution that makes it safer and easier for everyone. A set of products here that totally gets rid of the need for heavy metal shackles and other products like that in the snatch recovery. They've come up with these Kinetic Recovery Rope, which replace the conventional recovery strap. As you see, they're a fairly heavy duty rope. They're rated, it's made to suit, made to work with the soft shackles and the specific recovery pin on the back of the four-wheel drive in front. This one here, that's your tree trunk protector or bridle strap. As you see, it's got the protective coating all around it so you can wrap around a tree. And these Kinetic ropes, they come in 3 different lengths, all in the kit. Now these are all designed to work with MaxTrax's own series of soft shackles. These come in 2 different sizes. They come with the core shackle and the unique one, which they call the fuse shackle. Now the fuse, they've designed that at a lower rating to be exactly as it's called, a fuse. It's a weak link in the setup. So if you're going to be pushing something a bit too hard, put a fuse shackle in there, let that be the weak link. If it breaks, it just falls to the ground. Other than that, you're generally going to be using these core shackles. So the range is stuck again. We're going to use the new MaxTrax recovery system to pull it out. A key part of the MaxTrax recovery system is this recovery hitch. Now they're nothing new, they slide into your toe point here, secured in there nice and safely, rated point. But this is designed specifically to work with a soft shackle. It will not take a standard metal shackle through there. It's nice rounded edges to work with the soft nylon shackle. So pretty simple, soft shackles, feed it through. You want to get that protective sleeve through there as well. A nice snug fit like that. To use a soft shackle, you get your loop in the end of the rope here, put that on there. Put the knot back through that loop and pull it back tight on itself. And that's not going anywhere. AFN bar we've got on the Ranger here has got 2 recovery points. So we're going to use a bridle between them just to balance the load out across the car. Once again, we're going to use the MaxTrax core soft shackles to attach the bridle to those recovery points. So bridle on that end, we'll run the bridle through the loop in the end of the recovery strap, and then use another soft shackle to connect the bridle on the other side. Now not all your recovery points have got those nice round edges of the MaxTrax hitch, so lucky you've got these protective sheaths on here just to protect them on those harsher edges. And there we have the setup ready for a snatch as you would normally do it. Now a lot of people will tell you that you don't need a recovery blanket when you're using soft ropes. Well, yes, they are certainly a lot safer, and here we've eliminated any metal shackles and things that could go flying. There's no heavy steel cable, but there's no harm in simply putting one over the recovery rope, fastening it on there. So even if something does let loose, it's just going to be weighted straight down to the ground. Just that other extra bit of security, simple. Like any recovery, first you want to make sure there's nobody else around here in case something does go wrong, something lets fly. You want to have good radio communications with the guy who's pulling you out so both people know they're on the same wavelength. Put the car in low range, first gear, be ready to go. Talk to the guy that's about to pull you out. Are you ready, Matt?
Whenever you are, mate.
All right, mate, on my 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. So there you have a simple, safe snatch recovery using a kinetic energy rope rather than a strap. Now you might ask what the advantages of a rope are over a recovery strap. Well, they say that these stretch up to 50% of their length, whereas your snatch strap only stretches 30%. So you get a lot more stretch in this with a shorter length of rope. As you see, this is only a 3 metre rope. They come in 2, 3 and 5 metre lengths. But it's a pretty simple setup, safe, we're out of here.